So what we're doing with this is we're gonna take off about an inch from the top because there's not a lot of length already compared to the sides in the back. For the sides in the back, we're basically just gonna tuck this all in, right?
Okay.
To give you that flow look where it
Yeah.
can like all come back.
Right.
This, we're gonna bring up a little to get away from that more like wolf cut mullet look.
Right.
We wanna bring this up maybe right to where your jaw starts. Now typically you'll see a lot of barbers using the feather razor for this. The reason I'm not using the feather razor specifically for his hair is because his hair is already very, it's damaged and it's dry, and I don't want to give him more split ends. So we're just using our shears and we're doing point cutting to still give some kind of softness while not damaging his hair. So I'm going to place my comb right on his head, and I'm going to bring the comb straight out, and my fingers are going to follow the same motion. Now we look for our guide. Our guide's right there, and we're going to cut everything above that to match that length. "90 degrees. And then we follow the same thing all the way up to the top. There's the guide. Now we're going round with this shape. So again, I'm going with the head shape. So I'm placing my comb right on the head, coming straight out, my fingers follow. So we're going round to the head. Boom. We're gonna use the back as our guide, and we're gonna do the same thing that we were doing in the back, going right off of the head. My fingers follow, and that's the length we want to take off. Front towards the fringe, we're keeping it longer so that he's able to bring it all back easily. So we're going slightly more triangular towards the front. I'm angling my fingers this way so that the front ends up longer. We're gonna connect the rest of the hair from the center to everything on the sides. So we're gonna lift the hair up. We're gonna angle it down this way to keep as much weight as we can along this area. And we're gonna find our guide. So there's our guide on the side of the head. Here's our guide at the top of the head, and we're just gonna connect it all. Because we're going round, we're bringing both the sections, like the previous section that I've cut and the new section, into the middle to keep it round. We're gonna do that until we reach the front curvature of the head. So this will be the last section where we're going round, and then we're gonna go triangular. Now we're gonna start to go a little bit triangular. How we're gonna do that is just by over directing the next section into the previous section to keep it longer. So same way, we're gonna bring the hair up, we're gonna find our guide, and we're gonna slightly bring the hair back so that we cut less. Over directing. So now we're just using a diffuser on low heat and low speed. And we don't really want to dry the hair too much, just very slightly. And at the same time scrunching his hair to bring out some of the natural curls